Hello, my people, and I'm sorry, but if you love birds, you can see my bird named Sky is new here. He's in the garage right now. He's just chilling. He doesn't want to be outside right now. Right now it's a little chilly. It's in the afternoon. It's Saturday, May 20. I don't know. And I'm sort of cold, but she seems to be fine. Yeah, so that's my new bird, Sky. That's my new bird, Sky. And yeah, he's really liking this place. He's already getting used to this being his safe spot. And you're probably thinking, you can't keep the door open. What if he flies away? I'm pretty sure it's a dove, but I'm not sure. It's my pet. But, oh, sorry. What was I gonna say? But this bird is a type that flies somewhere, like doesn't fly too far, like would fly up to this roof and then would immediately come back to this spot, because Sky, my dove bird pet, is already familiar with this spot, safe spot, new home. So, but she doesn't typically fly places. You know what I mean? Like, she can fly to like here, this spot, to up on this car roof right here. Like, that's how she flies. Like, she only flies, like, instead of like walking all the way up there and like then flying up, she just like goes from this spot and then flies up. So this is really like Sky's own video, making this especially for her. So yeah, right now she's just chirping. She's still little. Sorry, the camera isn't focusing. Okay, focused. It's focused on me. Focused on the bird. Comment down below if you love birds, and subscribe if you love Sky. And I should make Sky vlogs. Like, this is day 2 here for her. For him, I should say. Day 2. Tomorrow will be day 3 living here. So I might make a vlog tomorrow for Sky. Don't worry, I'll make more vlogs, not just for Sky, but right now I'm gonna post more about Sky because she's like, whoa, it's just a boom. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna post about Sky for now because I really don't have anything else going on. But I'll post like more. I might like do a challenge or something. Challenges or something. It's cold. I don't know. Sometimes Sky just pecks on your feet. She has a sharp beak. It's really cute though. Like, it doesn't hurt, just like peck. She doesn't peck hard. It's just like really cute, like little nibbles, but it doesn't hurt at all. It just tickles. It really actually just tickles. I'll show you. Look, she'll peck my feet, but this really just tickles. It doesn't hurt. Stop pecking me, Sky. She really likes doing that. Like, Sky's beak is very... Oh gosh, don't need the camera. Like, yeah, that. Right now, she's a little energetic, but she's still little, so she doesn't fly to far places. But she does she's really energetic. She really likes to follow me and other people. She was just doing that to my mom earlier. She started freaking out. I was laughing, but it wasn't like, it's not harmful.